For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Hello, you're watching Newsline Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about this new strain of swine flu virus that Chinese scientists have recently found out about, which has the potential to become a pandemic virus. Already, the world is writhing under the COVID-19 pandemic. Another parallel pandemic to COVID-19 might just be unimaginable at this point of time. Now, on this same report, the White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci warned the US health officials and asked them to keep an eye out on this new strain of virus which is just emerging out of China and has infected the pigs and also the swine industry workers so far. This is what he had to say.
Chinese, over the last week or two, have identified a virus in the environment. It has not yet shown to be infecting humans, but it is exhibiting what we call reassortment capabilities. It's not so-called an immediate threat where you're seeing infections, but it's something we need to keep our eye out on, just the way we did in 2009 with the emergence of the swine flu. It's called G4 is the name of it.
Now, the first and foremost question to answer here is it an immediate concern? While it is a grave concern, the Chinese scientists have so far not found any evidence that the virus can be transmitted from humans to human. When the human-to-human transmission begins for the new strain of swine flu, it means that it can become a pandemic, that it has already reached that stage. However, so far there is no evidence. But scientists have already found out that 10% of the swine industry workers in China have been infected with this virus. But it has not translated into a disease yet. So far the virus which has jumped from infected pigs to humans in China has not become a disease amongst the humans. It has remained ineffective amongst humans.
New strain of swine flu virus, which is called as G4EAH1N1, has come into picture. This has happened in somewhere in China again, and it has got transmitted into humans.
Now, other than the new strain of swine flu virus having the potential to become a pandemic virus, the Chinese researchers have also said that the new strain exhibits characteristics of the 2009 H1N1 virus as well as the 1918 flu. So what does all of this research mean? It means that there is a possibility that the new strain of swine flu virus might translate into another outbreak, a similar one to the one that we had in 2009. This particular peer-reviewed study is published in the US Science Journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and it has been called, the new strain of the swine flu virus has been named G4EAH1N1. G4 is basically the genotype that has become predominant amongst the swine populations since 2016. So how did Chinese researchers find out about this new strain of swine flu virus? Now, the scientists were studying the viruses in pig populations between 2011 to 2018. They surveyed pigs in 10 Chinese provinces between January 2011 and April 2018 and collected almost 30,000 nasal swabs taken from slaughtered pigs from abattoirs, as well as over 1,000 nasal swabs or lung tissue from farmed pigs with signs of respiratory disease. They found out, as we said earlier, that 10% of the swine industry workers tested positive for the new strain of the swine flu virus. However, it showed human ineffectivity. They also said that the rate of infection increased among younger workers aged 18 to 35. So far, this new strain of the swine flu virus has only been found in China and to an extent has been constrained over there. And due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, several international flights have been grounded too. It gives the opportunity for scientists as well as governments to track keenly this new virus which has emerged. And in the future, when several governments want to resume operations of international flights, they also need to check on the status of the new strain of the swine flu virus as well. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section down below about what you think of the new swine flu virus which is emerging now. Also like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.